Hello friends, welcome to my tutorials. In today's lesson, I will teach you on how to configure failover in Mikrotik. That means that we have two ISP. ISP1 with this IP address 10.10.20.2 and this one is the gateway, the full gateway one. This one is 20A1, the full gateway, I haven't changed. And we also have another public IP or ISP2 with this public IP and gateway and its DNS. So let's say the purpose of failover, when one public IP down, so another public IP will take over. That means that your staff or your organization still able to access the internet even though one public IP down. And here is my LAN client. So here is the scenario that I have used. Okay, to see now let's go to our Mikrotik together. Okay, let me this one is the client A1. This client haven't get the internet access yet. Now I will log to my Winbox. Okay, I connect. Okay, so when you connect your Winbox, first I will do the interface so it will be help me to remember. I will put Ethernet 1 ISP or I will put ISP 1 apply. Okay, Ethernet 2 I will change name to ISP 2 internet provider, this one, and I want my stuff. Okay, from Ethernet 4 I will put LAN. Okay, this LAN can connect to Cisco or can connect to any switch. Okay, I will put LAN apply. Okay, so I will use this port. Now you go to IP address. We need to add IP address. Here I have already added the IP address of my LAN. So if you have any LAN, you can add here. Okay, you can add. So I have already add. I don't add. What I need to add, I add the public IP address. Add. I will add my first public IP. I remember I put this. It is 10.20.2.24. And this one I will choose ISP1. Apply. Okay. I add the IP of public from Ethernet 2 and 30.2.24. ISP2. Apply. Okay. Let me go verify a bit. 10.10.30 and 10.20. Okay, correct. Okay, so after you already add your ISP IP, now another thing that you need to do is to go to configure DNS. Okay, I go to IP DNS. This one DNS that you get from your ISP. This one you can get use the DNS that you have received from your provider. For me, because I use dynamic, I will use this IP address. Okay, I can also add okay, sure, and also can add more like 111. Okay, okay, 8.8.4.4. Yeah, apply. Okay, this one make sure that when you have the static IP, this one you need to put it both ISP1 and ISP2. You have to put on. Okay, after you put this, you go to IP route. Okay, and then you go here gateway. This one you need to put your ISP1 gateway. Here is my ISP1 gateway, and check gateway ping. Okay, I will put ping. Distance this one. That means that when you put distance one, mean this one active. Okay, the priority of the ISP. Apply. Okay, and then we add one more, the gateway of ISP2 and 30.1. Okay, this one also choose ping. Distance this one I put 2. That means that this one will be work after the distance one down. Let's say the ISP1 down, so the ISP2 will take over. That's why I put distance 2. Okay, apply. Okay, okay, see, now one man. Okay, we remove this. Okay, don't want it to be. Okay, okay, this one have already ISP1. Okay, so after you have already configured this, you go to IP firewall. Okay, IP firewall, NAT, SRC, source destination. You can let it blank, or if you have many LAN, you can put. So I can put my LAN here. Okay, 024. My LAN IP, action, masquerade. Apply. Okay, and then we need to create another NAT. This one. Advanced, general. You go general, LC NAT, and output address. This one you need to choose your ISP1. Okay, action, masquerade. Apply. Okay, and do again. Okay, we need to LC NAT, output ISP2, action, masquerade. Apply. Okay, so after you configure this, you need to give our client to access the internet by going to IP DHCP server. This one I have already created. If you haven't created for the DHCP server, you can create it like here. You go to IP, and then you go to LAN. Okay, like next, and then you go to just click next. This one I think most of you have known, because this one just give your client access to the internet and give the DHCP IP to our staff. Okay, I don't do that. Okay, okay, now let's see what my client get. Okay, now my client can access to the internet. CMD, I will check my IP config /all. Okay, my staff already get IP, and it's I ping to Google. Ping google.com. Okay, can be accessed. It's a new trusted google.com. I want to see which which public IP that my client get. Okay. Okay, here's my LAN. My LAN. Okay, see, here's the public IP of ISP2. Of ISP1. You can also check here ISP1 IP address. Okay, here's the public IP of ISP1, and you can also go to interface. You see the ISP1 is up. Okay, you can also go to IP route. Okay, no, you see now this one is active. This it provide you with this public IP. Okay, so let's say if I ping Google. Okay, and then I disable public IP2 or public IP1. Okay, I disable it. That means that this connection has been lost. Okay. And that's it. This one will be timed out because it will be take some time when you use dynamic like that. Okay, but actually when the ISP1 has been down, the ISP2 will be take place. Let's say is I Control C, I use translate again, translate google.com to see which public IP that my client have access. This one, as you can see, this one have the internet access, but it need time to update. That's why when I ping in this virtual machine, it take time at work. You see now my client machine, it have get this public IP from ISP2. Let's see if we go to Google. Okay, Google space. Okay, I can also ping from here. Okay, ping google.com. You see, it still have internet access. YouTube, you see, it still have the internet access even those one ISP down. Okay, so that's all for today's lesson. I hope that you find these lessons useful. If you have any question, you can drop in the below. Bye bye.